Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Syncee inventory with Shopify connector, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started, ensure you have both your Syncee and Shopify accounts set up and ready to go. Log into your Syncee account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the connectors section on the dashboard. Look for the Shopify connector from the list of available integrations. Click on the Shopify connector to open its settings. You will see an option to connect your Shopify store. Click on the Connect button. A new window will prompt you to enter your Shopify store URL. Input the full URL of your Shopify store. After entering the URL, click Next to continue. You may need to authenticate your Shopify account to allow Syncee access. Follow the prompts to authorize Syncee to manage your inventory. Once connected, return to the Syncee dashboard. Next, access the Products section under the Shopify connector settings. Here, you will find an option to import or update products. Select Update Inventory to refresh your current product data. You will need to upload your inventory file, usually in CSV format. Ensure your CSV file matches Syncee's required structure for product updates. Click on Upload File and select the prepared CSV file. Once the file is uploaded, review the mapping settings. Make sure all fields in your CSV are correctly mapped to Syncee's templates. After mapping, click Start Update to begin the inventory update process. Monitor the progress of the update in the dashboard. Once completed, check for any errors that may have occurred during the update. If errors are present, follow the provided instructions to resolve them. After successfully updating your inventory, revisit your Shopify store. Confirm that the inventory levels reflect the recent changes from Syncee. Now you have completed the process of updating your Syncee inventory with the Shopify connector. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.